As an accredited business, you're able to use the BBB logo as a symbol of trust in the marketplace. In this video, we'll show you how to upload the dynamic seal onto your business's website. To get started, go to bbb.org/oklahomacity/login to log in to your business profile. Once logged in, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Download Accredited Business Seals tile. This will take you to the Get Your BBB Seal page, where you will be able to select what type of seal you would like to display. The options include an online seal, a floating seal, and print seal for offline use. First, we'll take a look at the option for the online seal. Here, you'll see that you have multiple options on how the seal will be displayed on your website. You can choose the format, color, vertical or horizontal orientation, and whether or not you want your rating shown. Once you've decided on how you want your seal displayed, click the Select button below that seal. The BBB Seal code window will pop up, giving you the option to copy the embed code or email the embed code to your web developer or IT team. Next, we'll look at how to add the floating online seal. Here, you can choose where on your website you would like the floating seal to appear. Then copy and paste the JavaScript code into your HTML website, or again, you can send this code to your web professional. The final option is to download the seal for offline use. Here, you will be given a zip file to download the logos for offline use. You will also see guidelines on how to properly display the seal. Please read through these so you're aware of how to use the BBB seal offline. For any additional help or information, call BBB Serving Central Oklahoma at 405-239-6081 or email us at info@oklahomacity.bbb.org.